Hey, how's it going, man? This is Tyrone with Smartwatch Mobile Detailing, and I'm here again with another video. I know it's been a while, but man, we've been working, we've been busy, and we've been trying to get through our days, man. I'm actually wearing both multiple hats as the owner, detailing. I'm doing HR. I'm actually, managing everything else. So me as the owner, man, I'm super busy. I'm super working on everything else, so I just haven't had time to, create my YouTube videos lately. So today we have a lot of information. I just want to update you all on how our business is flowing. It's a lot of things that's been happening, so it's a lot in one video. So I mean, my title for this video is going to be growth. With growth comes change. So it's a lot of stuff that changed, and I make sure you all watch to the end to hear everything that's going on in my business today. So first things first, man. Right here we have a vehicle that we're working on. It's a Lexus. I'm working on the pickup truck today, and we're just going to get started. It's a full detail, so we're going to do wash, wax, shampoo, vacuum. In our wax detail, we have our clay bar, paint determination, and with our iron and with iron removal, and then we also have our actual buff process. So yeah, let's get into this video. Make sure you watch to the end. I just want to talk about first things first. With growth comes change, and a lot of change has happened in my business. First things first, we got an office. So we just built our office. We just got our office. We signed our lease. We have a 1-year lease, and it's a very great price for what we getting there. We're parking our vehicles there. We're also we're able to use the water. So as you know, we're basically a full mobile business. So all our appointments are mobile. We don't have a shop, and that's the way we're going to keep it. We're going to continue to push our mobile business route, because we want to eventually have 8 van units on the road. And I know a lot of detailers they go into the warehouse space, and then then they go into the ceramic coating and whatnot. But we're taking a little different approach with our process. So yeah, so we got our office, and we're going to do a lot of our dispatching outside of that office. So we're going to hire our assistant. Our assistant will pretty much answer phone calls. I know this is a good question, like, okay, you got someone on the payroll, and what are you going to do in the office all that time? So first things first, we're going to have her answering phone calls. Also, she's going to be responding to quotes via Yelp, and also via Google. We just started our program back up with Google, where we're hiring a management company. ClickGeeks is the name of the company. You can find them on YouTube. They pretty much manage all of our Google ads, and they make sure we get a higher conversion rate than us running it by ourselves. So ClickGeeks is our Google management company, and they just send our quotes via email and phone call, and we tracking it. So with that, we're able to call our leads as soon as they come in, and make sure they what they want to book them and get them booked in the system. Most of their leads are very good leads and strong leads. So as they come in, we're booking them every time. Yelp, you know how that works. They pretty much have their platform. People go on their platform. If you spend a lot of money with Yelp, you're going to get a lot of business, and that's pretty much what we do between marketing. And basically we're going to have her responding to all those different quotes when it comes to Yelp. Also she's going to be handling HR stuff. So as we're starting to be low on staff, which I'll get into in a few minutes, so make sure you all watch to the end. But yeah, so she's going to be handling HR stuff. So she's going to be on Indeed. Also, ZipRecruiter is another site that we use for hiring. And we're going to also start using Google Jobs as well to start looking for great candidates for our jobs. So if you're looking for someone, if you're looking for a job, someone that's looking for a job in the Atlanta area, we can definitely use them right now. We have a lot of stuff changing. With growth comes change. So we got a lot of stuff changing. So we need help, man. We need help. So yeah, so basically she's going to be taking care of phone calls, dispatching, responding to quotes, HR stuff. So she's going to be he or she's going to be pretty new. So I'm gonna have to train them a little bit, and it's going to be hard because I got to train new team members. So I won't be able to be in the office at all really. So um, I'm going to train her on the basis of how to set up the recruiting stuff and how to call candidates, set up interviews based on my schedule. She can go on the system, or he or she can go on the system and schedule, you know, those interviews around my schedule in our system, which is Square Appointments. So she can go in that system, she can check and see what's on the schedule, and then she can change. She can change around stuff. She can add people. He or she can add people, and they can also add appointments and different type of things to the schedule, so I don't get overbooked or double booked with customers. So also with that, I'm gonna have to also show her the price quotes. So he or she, their price quotes, how to handle that situation. Currently, we have a website that lists all our prices. I know a lot of detailers don't show their price. They require them to submit a form, but that's why we also have our Google. So our Google Ads company, they actually do the landing page where they have to fill out a form or call a tracking number, and they get routed to us. So on that site, we don't actually have our prices, but when they call, we actually send them to our service page where they can actually book their appointment from our other website as needed, or if I'm available, I'll call and set them up myself on the phone call, or I just have them send me a text with their name, their email, and the address to the appointment. With that information, we already have their phone number, so that information we're able to book the appointment and have everything we need for the appointment. Over the conversation, we talk about the service that they need, so that would pretty much get an appointment in there, get them booked. You can handle it all in one time, and that's situated. So yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna show her how to basically navigate the website. Once you know how to navigate the website, if they have any questions, she can look, he or she can look and try to explain it to them the best way she can or he can, and just guide them through the process. You can book services there, what you want, inside, exterior, detail, maintenance. We have 6 packages. It's pretty simple. Maintenance interior, maintenance exterior, maintenance interior, exterior, full service, all full service, including inside and outside. The only difference is one of them is an exterior, which is a buffer. One is the interior, which is a shampoo, or you can get both. So those are our 6 packages. The prices on our website. You can check out the description in our website. And while you're at it, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We enjoy leaving our content. We enjoy helping you out, but just help us as well as we give you all this information to grow your business. Also, we have an ebook coming really soon. We're going to have all this jam-packed information in one place where you can read it and get it quickly, where you don't have to go through all our videos at one time. The ebook is coming soon. Just look out for it. The title is going to be How to Make Your First 100K with Auto Detailing, man. It's going to be great, and I'm happy to give it out to you all so you all can get this information. 10 years in the business, I think that I should be able to give something back and add value to you all as well. So yeah, so back to our team member that's going to be in the office, man. So we want her to, he or she to be in there basically scheduling appointments, doing HR, responding to quotes the whole time. Outside of that, once he or she get trained up, she'll be handling the operations, building processes for us, writing that stuff down, documenting all our processes, our handbook, our employee manual, refining, making it better, all that kind of stuff we want to get in place. And we want to just build a great team. With a great teams come great rewards and everything else. So what's next in our business? The next thing with growth comes change. What's the next change? We have a new vehicle, man. We have a 3-vehicle fleet, man. We have 3 vehicles on our company. I will be dropping videos with content on the van, and we're going to go all out on that. We're going to get decked out. You know, we're gonna get it wrapped up, everything that it needs. I know before I teach you all the $1,000, you know, $1,500 to $1,000, you know, setup where you know you can just set it up. However, we're gonna pay additional. You're gonna be about 3,500 to get your unit, depending on what you have decked out. You know, with the hose rails, everything set up where you don't have to take it out in and out the vehicle. And the reason I'm doing this now is because we're trying to build a 8 vehicle fleet. So everything needs to be the same. Everything needs to be set up right. Everything needs to be great. You know, we are the #1 company in Atlanta, Georgia. So in the state of Georgia, actually. So we're just trying to capitalize and do the best we can to, you know, show professionalism and make sure we're, you know, doing our best I can that we can, you know, be the best customer service wise, reviews, service, quality, everything. So yeah, that's us, man. That's what we got going on right now. And then the third thing, man, with growth comes change. So with our office being in Marietta, we pretty much lost our whole staff. It's just me again. So we have 3 vehicles, just me, no staff. Yeah, I know. But you know, it's okay. It's okay. We're interviewing every day. We're taking care of our business. We're doing it. We brought on our partner. You all know that. And yeah, we're doing our best we can. We're gonna bring someone else in. We're gonna train them up. We're gonna bring someone else in. We're gonna train them up. Our staff is gonna have to be 6 people with an office manager. So we're working on that, man. We're gonna grow our business, and we're gonna continue to grow, and we're gonna continue to grow. And with that change, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna continue to grow, and we're gonna make it happen, man. Detail. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you guys for watching.